Hello business owners and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrice and on today I will be talking about how to build your business credit using your EIN number and not your social security number. Right now I received a package just a few minutes ago from Uline. I purchased my deli bowls with lids for my business. I make banana pudding. There's a better choice to purchase from Uline than the restaurant supply store that's in my city. But on today, I'll be telling you how to get started because a lot of people believe that when you're building business credit, you will be purchasing things that you do not need. And actually, you do. You just have to find the right vendor. So, right now, I use Uline, I use Quill, I use T Mobile for my phone service. I use Fuelman for my car, my fleet card, which I use for my car when I'm driving to and from making business runs, and I also use Wix. All those vendors were established using my EIN number, so I never provided my social. I just provided my business name, my business address, business email, business telephone number. And one thing to remember is that everything must match. So if it doesn't match with the Duns and Bradstreet, you have to fix it. Everything has to match or they will decline or they will ask for further verification. So when you go to establish your business, the first step to do is to get your name registered with the state that you're in under a DBA, or if you want to register your name with the state to get an LLC, you can do that as well. A lot of people want the LLC because if something happens, it won't affect you. For instance, if you're sued, they will go after your business and not your home or your assets with the LLC. But sole proprietor is personally everything is on you. So right now I have sole proprietor, but once finances get better, then I will change to an LLC. But right now I'm fine with where I am because my business is running, but it's not running to the point to where I have to worry about being sued at this moment. But once you get your name registered, you will need to call Dun and Bradstreet, and they will provide you with your DUNS number. They set up your DUNS number while you're on the line, and they mail it to you. It can take up to 5 to 7 days to receive. Once you receive your DUNS number, you're registered pretty much in regards to your business. You request your EIN number through the IRS, and you just start applying for your vendors. One thing I can say is when you're paying your invoices, allow it to go to that 30th day. Do not pay it too early because if you pay it too early, it will not report. So usually I make the payment on that 31st day when it's due because most vendors report the first of the month. So again, I told you guys that I received my bowls on today, so I'm going to show you what I received. So in my box, it comes with the protective, just to protect your items. They send you this catalog. Each one I get, I receive a catalog. I did purchase on the Friday and I received it today. If you order by 6 p.m., you can receive it the same day. But if not, it will be that following day. It's really according to where you live. They send you all kinds of flyers for different things that you may need. Everyone needs a vacuum. But you will receive a list of what you received. On the other side, it has my address, but it just tells you everything that you've ordered. And my lids, 50 count in this one package, but I ordered 500 total. And my 8-ounce bowls. So you guys, if you like this video, if you have any questions, drop your questions below, comment below. If you like it, press the like button. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, to follow me on my journey, do so. Make sure you tap the bell for future notifications. Talk to you soon, you guys. Goodbye.